Good afternoon. Welcome to Friday's Inside Look by Brooks. Joining me today is our firm administrator, Laura Johnson. I'm Steve Brooks. We're here we represent injured people throughout the state of Florida. We have offices in Tampa, Winter Haven, Auburndale, and Lakeland. Today I've asked Laura to join us, and she is going to kind of take over and talk about our current cause. Laura?
Thanks, Steve. Well, I'm excited to be here today about something that's really important to us as a firm. Not too very long ago, Stephen Beach, the partners of our firm, decided to incentivize our staff to get fit. And we partnered with Habitat Health and Fitness to do that. And during one of our routine workouts, we encountered Jennifer, who is also a member of Habitat. And her story was so compelling once we got to know it through Habitat that we wanted to go a little further and partner with Habitat on the level of fighting cancer. Jennifer is a breast cancer patient who is currently undergoing her second round of chemo. She is a young mother, has 2 small children, and Jennifer is a school teacher, elementary school teacher. And so to get to know Jennifer, to have that opportunity to talk and share with her about her story and her battle with cancer and how Habitat has surrounded her and put together this fight challenge. As you can see our shirts today, we were just so impressed with her desire to combat cancer and the steps that she was taking to help herself through her diet and lifestyle. And it really brought me brought me to a position to consider what we could do as a firm, how we could encourage Jennifer in her journey. And so after talking with her and talking with Habitat about what they were doing, I spoke with Stephen Beach, and one way we were able to come alongside Jennifer is these guys purchased all of our employees these fight shirts. And we scheduled this day to be our fight day, where we would all wear these shirts in honor of Jennifer and her fight. And the proceeds from the shirts went to Jennifer and her family to help them financially through this time. In addition to the fight shirts and the fight day, where we're building the hype amongst our staff to encourage them to remember Jennifer and to pray for her and her family, we also are collecting funds individually. We've encouraged our staff to consider what they might personally be able to give, or if they wanted to reach beyond themselves to see if they could find people to support. But we're collecting money, and our goal is that we will bring all that money to the table, and Brooks has agreed to partner with us and match our funds. And so we're hoping by the end of this fight challenge, which Habitat has put together, that we will have a nice amount of money to be able to give to Jennifer and her family to help them again through this time, as no doubt they're experiencing a lot of financial trials that come with any type of aggressive medical treatment, which is what Jennifer's having to undergo. So we're excited. We're pumped up. Of course, we're speaking specifically about Jennifer because that's what brought all this about for us. But we know that there's a lot of people that are walking that difficult road of cancer. And we just want anyone who's going through that to know that we just encourage you to be like Jennifer, to fight, to not give up, but to see how you can help yourself through diet and exercise to kind of alleviate some of the pain and suffering that comes with the aggressive treatments that you have to undergo. So we're just proud of Jennifer and what she's doing, and proud that we as a firm can come alongside of her and support her in this way.
So if someone out there wanted to donate money towards Jennifer, what would they do?
That's an excellent question. So I would encourage you either to contact us, Brooks Law Group, and you can do that through our website, www.brookslawgroup.com, and you can message us that you are interested, and then you could either give a check directly to us made out to Jennifer, or and we would get that into her hand through our collection, or you could contact Habitat Health and Fitness, again, who also is doing their own challenge to support Jennifer and her family. So yes, if you feel compelled, we would welcome your contribution to assist Jennifer in this time of need.
So if someone wanted to contribute, you could go to our website, like Laura said, and then we could get you the information about how to make out the check.
Absolutely.
And that I know that Jennifer would really appreciate it. I haven't personally met Jennifer, but I've heard that she has incredible fight in her, and that's why
Yes.
we wanted to join behind her. So thank you so much, Laura, for joining us and putting that out there. And that's going to conclude today's Inside Look by Brooks. Thank you for joining us today. I'll see you next Friday at 3 o'clock. Thank you.